Surrender or pay the consequences.
Earth's most powerful soldiers are Earth's last chance to fight the spiral zone. Darkness has fallen on the victims of the zone. Our world calls for courage, peace and freedom. We must own. We will fight on our honor, what is right. We'll defend, fight the zone. Zone riders, Earth's most powerful soldiers, are Earth's last chance against the spiral zone. Spiral zone.
See anything, Commander?
Not yet, but they're in there.
I think we go get those dirty dogs, yeah?
We will learn by observing the enemy before we engage him.
What do you think Overlord wants with Hoover Dam?
From there, Overlord controls the electrical power for most of the western United States. And you could see what would happen if that dam were destroyed.
It would flood all this part of the state. Since the migration of the 1980s and 90s, thousands of people lived there.
MC Regional calling Zone Riders.
This is Courage. What's up?
There's a Black Widow assault in Sector 3. They seem to be after someone who's left the zone.
Left the zone? But that's impossible.
Up to now. Sector coordinates 10-034-28.
Range 3 miles and closing. This may be a chance to do
Overlord's Black Widow some damage.
We're on our way.
There he is. Yeah, let's have some fun with the old coot.
No! No!
What's the matter, old man? Don't you want to play?
He might not, but we do!
Time to play with us, Dummkopf!
I thought you were cooked sauerkraut that time, Tank.
Very funny, Max.
Let's get out of here!
Katarina, take care of the old man.
Reaper, wait! Help me!
You've got legs. Run!
Maybe we can still get him.
Forget it. It's over. I wonder why they didn't put up more of a fight. And how did that guy ever get away from the zone?
The throttle is jammed at high speed. He couldn't stop.
Commander,
How's he doing, Cat?
he's weak, but he'll be all right. The effects of the zone are wearing off.
Colonel Donovan.
You know this old fella, sir?
Oh, yes, I know him. I know him well. As a young officer, King Donovan was the best pilot the Air Force Thunderbirds ever had.
The Precision Flying Team. I remember hearing about them in school.
After he made colonel, he was operations officer for the Eastern Sector during the Desert Wars. He was my CO.
You were friends?
Friends? He was like a second father to me.
He's trying to get up, but he shouldn't.
That sounds like King Donovan, all right. Colonel Donovan, good to see you.
Colonel, what's with all the formality? You know my handle's King.
Right. King of the skies.
Until they grounded me. Now, how do I get out of here? That darn medic won't let me get up.
Well, he's just making sure you're okay.
Those slimy apes can't hurt me. Hey, do you know that Overlord has put up a new zone generator by Hoover Dam?
That's why we're here, Donovan.
Then here's something you don't know. Overlord is gonna try to connect up the zone generator to the hydroelectric power of the dam. It'll increase the size of the zone 10 times.
You're sure of that?
Those darn Blackwooders grabbed me for one of their laser gangs, and before we went into the zone, I heard them talking about it.
Thanks, King. I'll alert the zone riders.
Wait a minute, there's more. I know how you can get to the dam without being seen.
How?
An old engineer's road leads right behind the dam to the zone generator.
And you're sure it's not guarded?
I saw it. It's hidden by boulders. And as far as I know, it's not on any map.
I hope you're right, Colonel, because we're gonna bet that you are.
I ought to tear you apart for leaving me behind.
Come on and try it. Just try it.
Enough of this bickering. Your own stupidity lost your vehicle, Razorback. Don't expect sympathy for that.
Just don't turn your back on me, Reaper. Ever.
The power link is complete. The zone it creates is 30 miles wide.
The zone riders will not be able to resist coming.
Especially since our friend Donovan has convinced them they're surprising us.
If they believe his story.
Only one of them need believe it. Commander Dirk Courage. And since Donovan was his friend and mentor, why not?
But the memory implant
is foolproof. Donovan has a memory of something he did not experience because our memory implant tells him it is true. And when the zone riders come up that forgotten back road, we will be waiting.
You gotta let me come with you. I owe those rats.
Sorry, we've only got 5 suits, King.
You'll at least need a guide to the edge of the zone. Better yet, let me fly you in. I can get you so low they won't know what hit them.
Thanks for the offer, old-timer, but...
Old-timer, is it? I was fighting wars when you were in diapers, fella.
What did I say?
Old-timer?
We're almost in range of Overlord zone sensors. We'll continue on in the dry riverbed.
Look, the zone! It is gigantic!
It looks bad, Commander. Very bad. Hero, get down! Cover me, Commander.
Duchess, come!
have time to gab about it.
I'll hold off Overlord. Get Katarina out! Protect Katarina! I will use the sonic disruptors. Everyone, activate sonic babblers!
You make it very easy, Courage.
Did we get them?
Everything's fine, Cat.
We must get medical aid for her.
Yeah, and I would like a few words with Herr Donovan. He sent us into an ambush. We'll talk to him.
Take good care of her. Dirk, I want Donovan in my office.
I know what you're thinking, sir, but there's...
At once! There's only one explanation for what you did. Donovan, you are a traitor.
No!
Lock him up. I'll see him charged with treason.
General King Donovan is one of the most loyal and honest men I know.
Dirk, he almost got y'all killed. He sent you into a trap.
General, King Donovan wouldn't do that.
Then how do you explain what happened?
I can't, but I'm going to find out.
Well, we'll know in a second.
If this turns up negative, Dirk, I'm proceeding with the treason charges.
Ah, there. That line shows that Donovan's memory has been tampered with. Now that we know that, we'll find out how.
What is it?
A memory implant. Fairly ordinary in the fields of high-tech mind control. Here, watch.
Now, my friend, you will tell the Zone Riders about an engineer's road. You discovered it years ago, right?
I discovered years ago.
Good. Now put him in the turbo car, jam the throttle, and send him out of the zone. And be sure to put up a good fight once you attract the Zone Riders' attention to him.
They planted a phony memory in Donovan's brain.
I'm sorry, Donovan.
Donovan, wait!
The medtech says she's got a 50-50 chance.
What I wouldn't give to get my hands on Overlord and his slime.
You'll get your chance tonight. Weather Central reports a heavy storm headed this way. We'll use that for cover when we hit the generator. With any luck, Overlord will be there.
We had better get moving.
This one's gonna be for you, Cat.
I'm sorry I got you into this fix, my girl. I was so sure about that road. It seemed so real. But then, they say there's no fool like an old fool. I'd do anything to see you well again. If I could only make it up to you, then maybe I can make it up to you. And to Dirk.
Ma'am, we're glad to see you back on your feet.
Whoa, things have Changed a bit since I flew a plane.
What the?
Fuel, check. Lasers, check. Let her rip!
Eagle 1, this is Tower. Who are you and where are you going?
Tower, this is King of the Skies, and I'm on my way.
Can't we find something better to do than march around in the rain?
There will be better things to do, Razorback. For now, just follow orders.
Their main force is defending the zone generator.
So we hit him at the dam.
That's what I want him to think.
All the troops are guarding the generator, Overlord.
Good. When the Zone Riders attack the dam, pull them all off.
But then they'll surely attack the generator.
That's exactly what I want. Courage has started playing the game with us, but I will win it.
We're pinned down! Send reinforcements!
I set the vehicles on remote and the weapons for automatic fire. That'll keep you busy. The zone generates a power link. We must destroy it now!
I place the charge now, Commander. As soon as the Black Widows are gone.
Minutes and that charge goes off.
Done, Commander. Good. Come on, Tank. We'll meet Hero and Max at the power station.
Power link to the zone generator. It was the power link to the zone generator. Come on, let's find the commander and get out of here.
We'll head back through the defile.
I don't think we should. Look!
You neglected to protect your rear, Commander. We came across the water.
It appears they have cut off our escape. Hey, you're still gonna lose your generator.
Wrong again, Lieutenant Jones. I watched you plant this device. And now, I'll watch you destroyed by it.
There are only 5 minutes on the timer. It will demolish the dam.
And us with it.
Then we'd better get a move on. Hit it!
Get them!
Yahoo! Here comes the King of the Skies!
Who is that? This one's for Katarina, Duchess.
Even if we could get to the bomb in time, we can't get it far enough away from the dam.
Commander, I have a way. Maybe.
Roger, I see ya.
Hurry, Donovan.
Hurry, it blows in 15 seconds. Jump! Why doesn't he jump? Make it, sir. Ah, look!
It is so good to be with you all again. And I hear you were a real king of the skies.
Well, I guess I wasn't bad for an old-timer. Eh, Max?